In this question, we're asked to find the moment about A, C, and D, and also the shortest distance from each point of the line of action respectively. So first of all, we need to know what a moment is. A moment is the distance times the force. And the force is always perpendicular to where you're looking for your moment about. If it lies on the same line, it's going to be 0 because there would be no moment because the distance will be 0 if it lies on the same line of action. So here the first step here is to draw a free body diagram, but here I'll just put the forces straight on here. So here we have a force here which is 500 sine of 25 degrees because this is opposite of this. So it's 500 sine 25 degrees. And over here would be 500 cosine of 25 degrees. I guess I have to squeeze it. See if I can make some more space over there. Okay. 500 cosine of 25 degrees. What else? That's the only force here. So what we can do here to find the moment, these are the two forces. So the moment about A, and we're assuming counterclockwise is positive. So the moment would be, well, the distance from here to here is 3, 2 plus 1. So that's 3 meters times the force is 500 sine of 25 degrees. Since this is going in a clockwise direction, this would be negative. And then we also need to add this force. Well, the distance here is just 0 because it lies at the same it lies on the line of action. So this is 0, so we basically don't need it. So the moment about A results to 634 Newton meters because this is in newtons, in the clockwise direction, actually clockwise direction. The next step here is to find the shortest distance. Well, like I said in the beginning, the moment equals force times distance. So how can we find the shortest distance? We can derive an equation for that. Moment equals force times distance. Therefore, the distance equals to moment over force when you divide both sides by your force. So your moment has been solved for, and that's 634 Newton meters. Well, what was your force? Your force was 500 newtons to begin with, right here. 500 newtons. Now you can see how the units come in play. The newtons cancel out, you're left with meters. So resolving that gives you 1.27 meters. So for this question, the same applies for C and D as well. The same steps, same procedures, no difference whatsoever. Alright, if you have any questions, please feel free to comment below in the comment section, and also subscribe to my channel.